Hello, welcome. In this video, we will see how to convert an array into streams, and then you can play with that streams. Okay, so suppose let's define an array of strings. So JavaScript, and give some values like React, Angular, and this Vue, and one more Spring Boot. Okay, say now we have created an array. To convert this array into stream, mainly we are having two methods. The first one is you can use arrays dot streams method. Okay, which takes array also. So if you give arrays dot streams, and if you pass that array as an argument here, okay, you can get the stream out of that array. Okay, to print that values, if you want to print, so you can use for each, and then system.out colon double colon println using method references. Okay, if you run this, see we got values get printed, and you can use it as a stream. So, and you can play with that. If you see the stream, you get all the methods like map, collect, for each, so peak, distinct, count. So if you wanted to get the count out of the stream, how many values, so you can use the count also. Okay, so you got a strict 6 value for the count, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So the 6 values we get. So yeah, this is one way of converting array into stream. And the second approach is okay, let's comment this. So the second approach is in the stream class itself, we are having off method. So streams.off, it takes array also. So if you pass that array, and it will give us a stream back. And if you run the same methods again, arrays one dot count, yes, out count. So we should get the same output finally, because we are converting the same value. We are converting the same array into a stream using a different method. In these both approaches, you can convert an array into streams, and you can play with the stream methods. Thank you.